Hi, this is Windows 7 user, and this is a quick video of how to double the speed of your Mozilla Firefox browser. I had a previous video, but the quality wasn't very good, so I decided to remake it. Here's written directions in case you ever fall behind, and so let's get started. First thing you want to do is open up your Firefox browser and type in about config, just like this. They'll say you might void your warranty. Just click I'll be careful. I'm just going to be copying and pasting these just to save some time, but you'll have to type them in manually. So it'll find this, and as you just will be changing one thing on this. You'll be changing the value to 0. I've already set it to 0, so I don't need to do that again. So the next step is going to increase the speed at which Firefox loads pages. So we're going to change the pipelining to true, which I've done. And I'm just going to be faster, just type in proxy pipelining and set that to true. And there's one more. Pipelining right here, max request, and you're going to set that value to 10. Now if you're wondering how to modify these values, you just right click and you hit modify, and there's the value. Okay. So lastly, anywhere that you want, you're going to just right click, hit new integer, and you're going to type in this nglayout dot initial paint dot delay. I'm not going to do this because I've already done it, but what you'll do is you'll click OK and hit the value to 0. So now if we look for that same file again, it'll be set to 0. So, okay. Next thing we're going to want to look for is these next steps are going to be reducing the amount of time the browser waits to receive information. So, let's move down here. Copy this. There's his value right here. We're going to set it to false. Okay, so after you've done your network DNS disable, you'll just right click anywhere and hit new integer, and we're going to type it in content dot notify dot back off count. Click enter and set the value to 5. There we go. We're look for the next one. Paste this, here this one, and then we're just going to change this value to true. You can just double click it too if you want, it'll just change it to true, or you can right click and modify. You might have to create some of these new, so just like the other ones, so just go to new integer. You can also use string if you want, but I'm just going to use integer, and for this value we're just going to set it to 0. Okay, next we're going to go same thing, except we're just going to be creating a boolean this time. This one's very specific. Make sure you do create a boolean, and we're going to use this right here, config trim minimize, copy, paste it in. Okay, it's going to ask you what you want to set the value to, select true, and hit OK. After this, you're just going to restart Firefox. You can just close it. That's the easiest way. And make sure all the windows are closed. And you have successfully doubled the speed of your Firefox web browser. If this video helped you, you can help me by commenting, rating, and subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And thank you for watching.